Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials so you can build fast. Install Chrome and enable developer mode. Create a project folder and add manifest. JSON, an icon, and pop-up. HTML. Use manifest version 3 because it controls service worker behavior and security. Set only the permissions you need to reduce prompts. Once done, open Chrome, / extensions and toggle developer mode so you can load unpacked. Make sure file names match exactly and that your manifest is valid JSON before moving on. You now implement the extensions core. Create a service worker for background tasks and event listeners. It keeps logic separate from UI. Develop pop-up. HTML and styles, then connect them with pop-up. JS using Chrome. Runtime. Send message and on message listeners so you can request actions. Inject a content script for DOM changes, declare matches, and run ad in the manifest so it executes at the proper time. Once messaging is wired, test interactions by reloading the extension and using console logs for quick debugging. You finish by testing and deploying. Verify all features across target pages, test offline and with different accounts, then increment the version in manifest. JSON. Package the extension if you'll distribute it, or keep using load unpacked during development for rapid iteration. Make sure to test uninstall/install and clear caches to catch state bugs. If things go wrong, check the manifest for JSON errors, confirm declared permissions, and inspect the console for content security policy errors. Those 3 fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.